Hi everyone, welcoming to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about timers in JMeter. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about two important types of timers, constant timer and random timer. So let's begin. What are timers in JMeter? Timers in JMeter are used to add a pause or delay between requests. By default, JMeter sends request one after the other without waiting. JMeter send request without waiting or any delay, which is not how real user behave. In real scenario, people take time between actions like clicking a button or filling out a form. Timers help us copy this behavior in our test, making them more realistic. Why do we use timers in JMeter? Why we use timers in JMeter? To copy real user behavior. To copy real user behavior, we use the timers to avoid our overloading overloading the server. Now, I will show you how you can add these timers in JMeter. Open JMeter, right click on test plan, click on add thread and then click on thread group. In the thread group, add the number of users, sample period and the loop count. Here I use the one loop count, so it means one request will be sent to the server. In previous tutorial, I have already described in detail about the thread group. Now add the HTTP request, right click on thread group, add and then click on HTTP request. In this scenario, we add multiple HTTP requests. So copy this HTTP request, copy and then click on thread group and paste here. Then add another HTTP request, right click on thread group and here we can change the HTTP request name. Now first enter the URL in the path. Open, this is the blazemeter.com and click on resources. Here URL is blazemeter.com. Copy this and open JMeter, paste here. In the protocol, enter HTTP. Same as well, we need to enter the path. Here path is resources. Copy this and paste here in path section. Now change the request name HTTP request to resources. Now change here, same as we click on this company. Now the path is slash customers. Copy this slash customers. This is the second request we send to the server. Enter path here and same change here request name customers. Now copy this URL. This is the server name or IP and paste here. Same as well, we need to enter the protocol here HTTPS. Now send, we need to send 3 requests to the server. So we will use 3 requests here for better understanding. Copy this path, contact us and enter path here. Same, copy this server name or IP and enter here. In the protocol section, add here HTTPS and change HTTP request name contact us. Now add some timers. Before adding timers, first let's understand if we run this script without adding delay. Run this script, it will ask to you should save your test plan before running it. Click on no. we need to add the listener. For view the request and response, click on view result tree. In the view result tree, we can view the request and response in text, regular expression. These are the format available in JMeter. You can view the response in these formats. Clear this and again run this test. Now, here you can view the all request completed in 1 second. But we need to here add timers. Click on thread group, click on timer, and then click on constant timer. In the constant timer, we can add time in milliseconds. So here add 5 seconds and again run this script. Click on no. In the view result tree, here you can view after 5 seconds, it will send a request to the server. Now it will pause the execution of this test and then again send the request after 10 and then 15 seconds. Let's add an other timer which is random timer. Click on third group add and then click on uniform random timer. Now here you need to define the duration between, suppose you want to request to the send request to the server 5,000 to 6,000. Now it will add the random timer between the request. Let's comment this timer, constant timer disable and again run this script. Here you can view it will add the random timer between each request. Now send request after 8 to 9 seconds and then again send request to the server after 19 seconds. In each time, this random timer will be different because this is uniform random timer. Now, again run this script. This total request completed in 20 seconds. Now, it will complete the request different as before. Now, first request sent to the 8 and second and then request sent to the server. Second request sent in 22 seconds and then sent the third request around 27. This time, uh, maybe you get the different time of execution. That's all for today tutorial on timers in JMeter. We covered what timers are, why we use them, and how to work with the constant timer and random timer. I hope this video helps you understand how to use timers to create realistic performance test. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SK World. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for further topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.